Nasturtium is a really cool annual plant to have in your garden. It has many benefits. One way is to identify this plant is through its leaf arrangement. The leaves are circular and round, and it's what we call a palmate leaf. Palmate leaves are round, you can find in many plants, but these are very pronounced in nasturtium plants. The flowers can come in many colors, like red and yellow, but mostly come in warm colors. And these are also edible. This plant has many benefits. The entire plant, the leaves, stems, flowers, and even the seeds are edible. But not only that, but this plant also helps repel any bad insects and attracts really beneficial ones like different pollinators that will help pollinate your garden. With adequate moisture and full sun, this plant can go pretty far, but be careful, nasturtium can easily take over. I hope you learned something new today, and thanks for watching.